today's video we are going to prepare a Spanish omelette. To do the Spanish omelette we are going to need 6 eggs, 1 onion, some salt and 3 potatoes like this one. And also sunflower oil and olive oil. So let's start by cutting the potatoes. Let's go!
We need to clean the potatoes to remove any dirt on the potatoes.
Okay, let's start by cutting the onion. Let's put some olive oil on the pan. And let's start the fire. We have to wait until the oil is quite hot. Meanwhile, we can start to remove the skin of the potatoes.
Then you have to cut the potatoes in small dices. Like this one. The oil is hot enough so we can start to fry the onions. Don't put the fire too high, if not the onions will burn.
Now we are going to crack the eggs and mix them all 6. We can use a fork to mix them well. Now we get the onions that are ready and we put it on the eggs.
Now we add to the pan some sunflower oil to fry the potatoes. Now we add the potatoes to the hot oil. We have to lower the fire so the potatoes doesn't get crunchy, and we wait like 10 or 15 minutes. We have to toast the potatoes every 3 minutes. To know if the potatoes is ready, we can try one. Now we can get out the potatoes from the pan and put them on the scrambled eggs. Let's put some olive oil to the pan. We add some salt to the scrambled eggs and then we put them on the pan. We lower the fire. Now we have to flip the omelette. Be very careful because this step is very dangerous and you can get burned. Look at that, it looks amazing. After 3-4 minutes one side and 3-4 minutes the other side, the omelette is ready. We can remove it from the pan.
Okay, let's put on test this omelette.
It tastes
Very nice. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe now. See you in next video.